Well, my name is Arnaldo Diaz. They call me Donny here in school. What brought me to Boca Beauty was just to change of pace in my lifestyle. I've been a chef for about 32, 33 years, and I got another grandkid on the way, planning to expand the family. I just recently got married to my girlfriend of 9 years, uh, and I wanted more time to spend with my kids. I just didn't think that being a chef would allow me the time to spend with my kids. Not like the flexibility of hours with the cosmetology class, that I could, more or less be my own boss and make my own hours, and therefore spend more time with my kids. Well, as far as Boca Beauty goes, I'm coming from a little ways off, but it's very worth the trip. I mean, as far as the hands-on learning, and like from the freshman class, they give you a lot of instruction. They make sure you actually know the material before you move on, or before they move on with you. And once you get to like the senior class, it's a different ball game, because you actually get to work with real people, and you get to actually see your work, you know what I'm saying, and the progress that you're going through, which is exciting stuff. I mean, for me, anyway, as being a chef, it's a creative field, and I still get to use my creativity and my artistry and stuff like that, but in a different way. Instead of putting it on a plate, I get to do it on people's hair. So it's a lot of fun. So yeah, I mean, if if you're interested, in being in the field of beauty, hair, makeup, cosmetology, and massages, I mean, I would highly recommend you come to Boca Beauty, because it's for me, it was amazing. I really didn't think I could do half the things I could do, and it gets better and better every time I'm here. So it's a great place to be.